does Jewish conversion works in Israel? Hi, I'm Batya. I'm a Jewish Filipino who converted in Orthodox conversion under the Rabbinate of Israel 2 years ago. I am not a representative of the Rabbinate nor working in any conversion program. What I'm sharing is based on my personal experience and experiences of my friends. It's not classified or sensitive. Most of it is available online. Yala. There are several types of conversion in Israel. One is private, not state-affiliated. One is native, primarily focuses on our Chayalim and those who immigrated from former USSR. One is non-Orthodox conversion, and one that I went through is under the Rabbinate, which is state-affiliated. Rabbinate conversion primarily intended for Israeli citizens. Again, Israeli citizens with Jewish ancestry whose status is halakhically questionable. Those who are non-citizens who have Jewish souls trapped in a non-Jewish bodies, their application must go through under the exemption committee. When I say prove, it does not mean by saying I am sincere. Sincerity here is not subjective. It has to be objective. Very basic requirements is that you have had lived in an Orthodox Jewish community, have kept everything, of course, except Shabbat, properly documented with all the recommendation letters. In my batch, I was one of the few that got accepted during the first interview. Most of my classmates, they got rejected, but they reappealed. Okay, if you get accepted, you have to undergo in an intensive conversion class for at least minimum of 10 months. Here's the good news. The classes themselves are relatively free, but the accommodation is not. And during this period, you are not allowed to technically work. And if you do, your conversion can be revoked. Before all of that, the hardest part of converting in Israel as a non-citizen is getting approved from the exemption committee. There are several factors that can affect the outcome of your application. It can either be delayed, approved, or rejected. For one, recommendation letters and supporting documents. Letters that are within and outside Israel can significantly influence a positive fit. No, you're a non-citizen and all your connections are outside Israel, but if you know a rabbi who lives in Israel and can vouch for you, that would leverage your case. But my case is very different because all my connections, like all my Jewish community, started in Israel. Thankfully, Baruch Hashem, I know a rabbi who knows me and did vouch for me. The second one is the interview. According to our rabbi, this is the most important part because this is the part where you have to convince them they want to know your journey and how you encountered Judaism. Questions can be personal, practical, and some halakos. And the most important one is Hashem, because even if the Rabbinut do not see everything, Hashem sees all the details, even the deepest desire of your heart. And why the process is difficult, time-consuming, can be expensive, demanding, it's because we do not encourage people to convert. Once you're in, you're in. Am Israel Chai.